Welcome back to Wander Wheels. Today, we're diving into the charm and elegance of the 2025 Royal Enfield Goan Classic 350, a bike that perfectly blends heritage with a relaxed coastal vibe. If you're a fan of timeless design and effortless cruising, this one's for you. The Goan Classic 350 takes inspiration from Goa's laid-back culture, offering a unique aesthetic with special edition color schemes, chrome highlights, and a beautifully crafted tan leather seat. Every detail is designed to turn heads and evoke nostalgia while ensuring a premium riding experience. Underneath its vintage appeal, this beauty packs the trusted 349cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine, delivering a smooth 20.2 bhp and 27 Nm of torque. Whether you're cruising along the coast or gliding through city streets, the refined engine ensures a relaxed yet engaging ride. The ride comfort is further enhanced by its well-tuned telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers at the rear, soaking up bumps effortlessly. The low seat height and comfortable ergonomics make it a joy for both new and experienced riders. Braking performance is reliable, with a front disc and rear drum setup, complemented by dual-channel ABS for added safety. The bike maintains that signature Royal Enfield thump, while incorporating modern features like a semi-digital instrument cluster and tripper navigation for those long scenic rides. Whether you're an enthusiast looking for a stylish daily commuter, or someone who loves weekend getaways, the Royal Enfield Goan Classic 350 is all about celebrating the journey. Classic charm, modern reliability, and a vibe that screams freedom on two wheels. That's it for today's review. What do you think of the Goan Classic 350? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wander Wheels for more exciting bike updates. Until next time, keep riding, keep exploring.